Hello, good morning everybody. So I hope you are having a good today's analysis will start off with a pair on our screen and the main reason being that the same pair we had yesterday, this is the one we closed with, actually mentioned that this is very good support as the price went very clearly sell it. So as you can see, the price basically went below and it continued and even hit the last take profit which he had around this level here. So what I'm seeing here is a case where the price may reverse back to this level, bounce off, sum it up, bounce off that level, or it break below this level, press back, sell. Basically, this is what we expect to happen if price pulls back to the upper side, then this sell place. If it breaks below lower line, this should be the correct sell form. So technically, that's exactly what I'm waiting for. Just waiting for price to get back to that level. I'm waiting for price to trace back, price to retrace back either to the upper side, give me a sell place. It should break below the support seen. If it goes below the support, then we'll wait for just a retracement before we can continue selling it, expecting price to push itself even lower. So we move forward to that. We move first. Yesterday we had a level here. This was a very good support, and also marked this as a support here. That as long as the price was being held above this zone, expected it to proceed even higher. So when it's to the upper side, we have these levels. We have a level here, a very good level. Also have a level here, and then you also have another top. So if price is to move upward, these are the levels to look for. Expect a move up and even a break above that level, then a retracement, continue up, retracement, then we continue up to the very top. So basically these are the levels we're looking for. A buy from this level here, we're also waiting to buy if price goes above this level, and we'll also wait. It's a buy here, buy in case price goes above this here. So if this does not happen, that the price does not bounce off from this level, instead it goes to the lower side, then we'll expect a move up to this point, and the last place, these are basically the level we are looking for. One price to bounce off from where the price is now and continue upwards, or break below that level, see downwards up to two lines which have drawn at the bottom. So we'll move forward to our next chart. If you check 4 hours, the upper side, so we had the resistance here. This is a very good resistance which has been broken. If you are trading this chart, just know that this is the correct place you actually could have bought from. So we had here a resistance, up, a retracement, up. Somehow we are still upward. So we expect price to proceed massively even higher. If you are looking at this chart now, it should give you the best place to actually look for a buy from. Just a second. On the lower side, we have a trend line. It's a very good thing, very good support. So as long as the price remains above this trend line, and most importantly above the zone which I've drawn here, expect price to proceed. So the best here is to keep buy positions, keep looking for buy orders. If price gives you any buy signal, pick that buy. See any signal for a buy, you should pick it. Next chart, JPY. Yesterday we took a sell, so as you can see we actually stopped out. We have stopped out because the price went above, expected it to remain below. Now we are above a very significant level. Here, this means as long as the price remains above this level, we actually expect it to proceed even. So the sell which you saw previously actually created, which means we are still buyers and we are now good buyers. We expect price to proceed to the upper side. So wait for clear buy signals. Now that we are now buyers, wait for clear buy signals and hold on to that buy. Expect that buy to take price up to this point here. So if the current week's candle actually closes above this line 108.4, the current week's candle closes above 108.49, expect it to proceed first up to this level 108, break above, reverse back, see a move 1196 here. We're going to move forward. We're going to move to our next the price is currently retracing back to the lower side, but we have a level here where to come back perfectly up to. We are looking at this chart now. Let's expect a retracement up to somewhere around one which I've just drawn. This one. So if price pulls back to the support, then we'll expect it to continue upwards. We'll go up to level and should break above, retrace back. That's what will happen. If you look at this chart now, you should be expecting price to continue upwards, retrace back, then buy. We expect that buy to take to 1.4229 here. So on the weekly chart, we are still not anything. One price retrace even, so that correct place to look for a buy from. Move to the last symbol. Okay. It's just gone below significant support. So very good significant support. This one here went down, and even current depths we are below 1.1073. So from the indicator, which is this one, this alligator indicator, we're actually looking at a sell. From this indicator, a sell. There's an active downtrend. Look, price action just recently 1.173, price is below it. So if the current week's candle perfectly closes below 1.173, expect it to proceed or up to around 10926, this level. Wait for a close below 1.107. Pick a sell from that point. Expect that sell to take price up to 1.926, this one here. The same thing, we are still sellers. We actually had a level here. Very good. Price successfully closed below it. It's a very good resistance. Break above a support, break below. So price retraces back to this level, that is in the course of next week or today. A sell from that point up to this level. So Euro USD is a sell. For a sell, especially if price can come back to the level which I've mentioned. If price pulls back to this level, that will give us the correct place to look for a sell from. So thank you very much. That should be the end of this market. If you have any, kindly feel free to post them, that option. right hand side, you can scroll over. So you should ask me, what if you find that the pairs I'm talking about, you have another you want me to state here, you can still post it. I'll respond to it. If you see this after the live analysis, you can still leave a comment. I'll be able to respond. So thank you. See you Monday.